Climbers heard a strange noise on the mountain, but what they found shocked them. Sorel and Eric Rowan stood at the base of the Britain Mountains, ready to climb. It was a dangerous mission, but they wanted to find a new path to the top. As they went higher, the snow got deeper. The only sounds were their boots crunching on ice. Then they heard something else, a soft meow. Sorel stopped. The sound came again. He looked at his brother, confused. No animal should be this high up. They followed the sound, stepping carefully over the ice. Then they saw it, a small orange cat sitting in the snow. It looked strong and calm, not cold or weak. The wind picked up, but the cat stood and walked ahead, leading them along the path. The brothers followed, struggling in the deep snow. After nearly an hour, the cat stopped at a rocky ledge and slipped into a narrow opening. The brothers climbed closer and found a hidden entrance. When they stepped inside, what they saw left them speechless. The space inside was bigger than expected. Thick stone walls blocked the wind, making it much warmer. Along the walls, old supplies were stacked, sleeping bags, empty food cans, and dusty lanterns. Though abandoned, the place was well preserved, as if someone had lived there not long ago. In the center, a fire pit remained, its ashes long cold. Wooden crates lined the back wall, their lids sealed shut with rusted nails. Sorel grabbed his ice axe and pried one open. Inside, he found old mountaineering gear, thick coats, and metal cups. Beneath them, maps and notebooks lay untouched by time. Eric picked up a notebook and flipped through the pages. The handwriting detailed past expeditions, harsh weather conditions, and dangerous routes through the mountains. Some pages mentioned strange disappearances and an unknown path leading deep within the mountain. The words were faded, but clear enough to suggest that something had once been hidden here. As they examined the shelter, footsteps crunched in the snow outside. Other hikers appeared at the entrance, shivering from the cold. They had been caught in the storm and had followed the brothers' footprints, hoping to find safety. Their faces lit up with relief when they saw the shelter. One by one, they stepped inside, shaking off the snow. The cat sat near the fire pit, calmly licking its fur as if it had known about this place all along. It had led them straight to safety. Sorel and Eric exchanged looks, realizing what they had found. This was not just an ordinary shelter. It was a hidden refuge, built long ago and forgotten by time. The supplies, the crates, and the detailed notes in the notebooks all pointed to something bigger. Whoever had stayed here had been exploring something dangerous, something still unknown. Then, something caught Sorel's attention. Against the far wall, a wooden shelf held several cans of food, bottles of water, and vacuum-sealed packages. Unlike the dusty supplies, these were fresh. He checked the expiration dates. They were new. Someone had been here recently. The realization sent chills down his spine. The shelter was not abandoned. Someone was still using it. The hikers settled in for the night, grateful for the unexpected warmth. They wrapped themselves in the old sleeping bags, their exhaustion weighing heavy after the brutal climb.